All right, guys, as these slider locks become more and more common, I've had more of a chance to play with a larger number of them. This is I'm not sure if it's a word lock holiday model or a holiday word lock model. I don't know, but there's the key. These typically are double-sided. Let me see if I can orient this correctly. There's what the keyway looks like. Slide it in there and rotate it 90, and then, of course, it comes apart. So let's put that guy back together, lock him back up. I'm also discovering these guys, just like pin tumblers, have personalities. They don't all work with heavy tension and single pin picking it. Some of these guys can be raked, and some of them, just like master lock pin tumblers, can be bullied. The nice thing about bullying a lock is it requires no skill. Let me get a tensioner here. See if this is the right guy. And I'm going to turn this a little bit because I'm going to try to hold this guy in my hand. So there's your keyway. He's not the right size. Try this guy, a little thicker. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can really see that very well. Let me put a light on that for you. It looks like it's right in the shadow, but basically what I'm doing is shoving him off to one side. And then on the left side are where all of the sliders are, top and bottom. And by the way, I'll put our lock cam up inside there to give you a little bit better look. And I'll superimpose it right there. Anyway, you see these sliders top and bottom. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to try to hold this in my hand. Try to do that just like that. And we're going to force it, just like we do master lock. We're going to bully this guy. You can grab any pick. I'm just going to use this guy. Now, what you'll see is I'm going to apply moderate tension. I'm going to slide the pick in, and I'm going to shove him all the way to one side behind the sliders, and I'm just going to lever him over. I'm going to use both the top of that pick and the bottom of that pick. It doesn't really matter. We're bullying this. There's no finesse, no skill involved in this whatsoever. All right, let me move that up a little bit. Try it right there. I'll try to keep that centered. So I'm going to apply moderate tension. I'll slide it all the way in there, get it behind those sliders, and just force them. And if I can't find any binding on the bottom, I don't hear any clicking, and I don't. These all feel springy. Then I'll go to the top. Okay, I felt a click on the top. Go back to the bottom. And I'm using the bottom of that pick. Okay, I felt a click there. And I'm going to go back up the top. Felt a nice solid click on the top, and I felt a little bit of turn on the tension wrist. So we have a fault set working for us. And we have an open. Guys, these guys, as it turns out, have personalities just like pin tumblers. We can use a variety of different techniques. Some require some skill, like the heavy tension single pin picking. Other locks, like this one and some of the lower quality ones, we can bully them, just like those master locks. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. And before we go, let's have a giveaway. After all, it is a Saturday. All right, guys. This week's giveaway is going to be a brand new t-shirt. If you win, you just tell me your size and I'll get it to you. And also a brand new, still in the package, UK Bump Keys Praxis kit. It's a dual gauge pick set. All right, guys. If you have anything you'd like to see me review, please send an email so I can get it and get these reviews back on track. Appreciate your time, guys. Each of these videos takes 4 to 6 hours to record, edit, and publish, so I'd really appreciate it if you show your support by subscribing and clicking on the like button. Thanks, guys.